Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Vivian. Welcome to my channel Makeup by Vivian. And so guys, I'm here to brief you about the channel and to ask you to support me. So this channel is all about makeup tutorials. I'll be doing makeup videos. Yeah, and so guys, I ask you to support me. Please subscribe, like my videos, share and comment on my videos, and also guys, turn on the notification bell so that when I post you get notified that I have uploaded a new video, and maybe like, comment, share the video. Yeah, I hope you'll support me. Kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell. Yeah, that's all for today. Bye.